In this tutorial and exercise, we're going to show you how to use the mid between 2 points while you're routing duct between grills. The first step would be to zoom into your exercise PractiCAD template. We're going to go into this area right here. The goal of this exercise will be to route duct in this direction and then have it turn and have that duct center line to be directly between these two grills that are marked on the background. The first step is going to be to grab a fitting. We're going to grab a piece of rectangular duct and then we're going to size it to 48 by 24. We're going to put the elevation at 10 foot. Now we're going to place the duct on the drawing by clicking once, and then we're going to point in the upward direction. Notice that I have my polar on and my O snaps on. Now we're going to click one more time in order to start routing. Currently we want to route by piece to only place one piece of duct. So I'm going to hit P for piece in the command line while it asks me the routing choices and then hit enter. That's going to give us the ability to only place one piece down. I'm now going to click again. Now grab an elbow from your fitting bin. Going to grab a radius elbow. In your command line, type in C for continue and then hit enter or spacebar. Now PractiCAD is going to ask us for the routing method again. Let's hit E for exact and spacebar. Now we can route the duct up and down in the direction and also left and right. Now while we're holding the cursor here and moving up and down, we now need to use our mid between 2 point command. We're going to hit shift and right click. When we do that, AutoCAD should open up the mid between 2 points command. Going to click on it. Notice that AutoCAD is asking us for the first point of mid. We're going to choose the corner of this grill. Recognize I'm holding an endpoint. The only reason why this is available is because the O snaps are on. You must have O snaps on. Click on first point of mid. Now AutoCAD in the command line is going to ask for second point of mid. We're going to come down here and click on the second point of mid. When we do that, we now have duct that has been placed exactly in between the two grills. Now hit escape to let go of the fitting at the end. Keep in mind that you're probably going to end up with a little piece of duct when you do this. I'm now going to click on that and delete it. Now we can continue by going up to the fitting bin and grabbing the next piece of rectangular duct. Because we're on C for continue, we can just click and pull in the direction we need. If we'd like to change the routing method, we can here. In this tutorial, we're going to hit P for piece again, which will bring us back to one piece. And each click will add another piece. Once you're done, if you'd like, you can use your linear dimension to measure between the grill and the wall of the duct. Once again, linear dimension for me is on my Express toolbar here, but this is custom. Yours could be under the annotate panel, which is where it is as a default in AutoCAD 2011 standard ribbing. Going to use the linear dimension, going to measure from here to this wall, and then we're going to use the linear dimension to measure from here to this wall. This is at 10, 10 and a half. Here we have it at 10, 10 and a half. Your dimension will be different dependent upon where you placed your duct. But we have used the mid between 2 point command correctly. That concludes this exercise.